Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our Festive Friday. I have $39 here, I believe, and that came from money that I budget for Festive Fridays and also like some side hustle money, tutoring and stuff. So with these savings, I am saving for I'm gonna do 2 bills per thing. For holidays, for birthdays, all the festive fun that we have in life. So I hope you guys are having a great Friday, and I hope you guys are gonna have a great weekend. I'm very thankful that it is Friday. We had career day at school today, and the schedule was different, and so it was a bit chaotic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. So, yeah, the schedule is different, and whenever that happens, you know, the kids can be a little bit more rambunctious, as they say, but it was good. I got some donuts for my kiddos this morning because we were with our advisement kids, or like our homeroom kids, for most of the day. So what do you guys have going on this weekend? I don't know why I said it that way. Weekend. What do you guys have going on? Any fun plans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I was going to keep counting. All right. This birthday challenge is by Vicky Thinks, and this is going to be for Aria's birthday, which is coming up here very soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And all right, so that's that one. All right, number 2 is this birthday one by Saving with Tiffany, little octopus, and this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So let's see. We can do a 5 and a 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, there's that. I had a couple people give me a gift on Ko-fi, and they sent some money for Aria's birthday, so thank you so much. That is so kind and unexpected, and I am just humbled whenever that, happens. Like whenever someone gives anything for the freebies that I make or whatever, it is never expected, and it is always so appreciated. So thank you if you are one of those people. It means so much to me, and I just, I'm humbled by your kindness. So this one is by me. This is for Easter, so we'll save for Aria's Easter basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I don't have any freebies to share with you guys today. I have not had time to kind of look and scope them out. So I'll try to do that next week. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's a great, we are almost done with this one. All right, this next one, this one is for Christmas, and this is by Overthinking and Budgeting. We got 5, 6, Each one of these is 2, so we're going to add 2, 4, 6, and we still have this $1 here that we're saving to the side. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 will be folded over like this. Okay. Next we have this St. Patrick's Day one, which is by me, and you can get these in everyone's Ko-fi shops. I will link. Oh my goodness, I will link them below for you. So this one is for St. Patrick's Day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't think I'll spend a ton for St. Patrick's Day, but you know, I just maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There might be a parade or an event that we can go to, or just like make some special treats or something on that day. So there's that. And then this last one here is by Canadian Finance Journey. I think each present is 2, yeah. So we have 5 and 6. 2, 4, 6, and we still have this $1 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alrighty. And that is it for this video, guys. It was short and sweet, but fun anyways. It's always fun to save for all the holidays and the festivities that are coming up. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.